Hey guys, this is Mahita. Welcome back to my channel Mahita Smart Education. Today in this video, we are going to learn about 6th chapter in NCERT 9th class political science textbook, that is democratic rights. Okay, let's start our chapter. And what are rights? Rights are the rules that people can follow. And democratic right means what are the rights that the people in democratic country are having. Okay, so let us look at the Saudi Arabia citizenship rights. We all know that Saudi Arabia is not a democratic country, it is a hereditary country, right? And yes, this country is ruled by a hereditary king, and the king selects the legislatives and executives and change them whenever he wants. And citizens cannot form political parties, and no freedom of religion, and people from another religions don't allow to or not allowed to participate, do their do their customs freely, and they can't build their temples there like that. Okay, and women's have many restrictions in Saudi Arabia. So let's look at what are the rights. Reasonable claims of a person recognized by society and sanctioned by law. In a democracy, every citizen has the right to vote and right to be elected to government. But whereas in Saudi Arabia, we have observed there is no right to vote, and they don't have the right to select their leader also, and they don't have the chance to be elected, right? Because the king, hereditary king, will be the ruler for their entire life, right? And let's just look at the fundamental rights. Some rights are fundamental to our life, and they are given special status, and they are called fundamental rights. And there are 6 fundamental rights are there. Before looking at them, let us discuss about National Human Rights Commission, which was set up in 1993 by judiciary, and this is appointed by president, and it includes retired judges. NHRC, National Human Rights Commission, cannot punish the guilty by itself. That is the responsibility of the court. Any citizen can write a letter to NHRC against violation of human rights. Okay, now let's look at the fundamental rights. There are 6 fundamental rights. They are important to our life. First one is right to equality. Right to equality is very important, right? No person can legally claim any special privilege, because all people are equal in a democratic country, and every person has equal opportunity in employment in government. And let us look at the right to freedom of religion. Whereas in Saudi Arabia, we don't have this right. They have to choose the religion as Muslim. Okay, and they can feel free if they are Muslims, right? So whereas in democracy, we have the right to freedom of religion. Okay, and right to profess, practice, and propagate the religion. And cultural and educational rights. Every citizen has the right to conserve it. Government aid institutions cannot be denied depending on religion, and all minorities has the right to establish and administer education. Right to constitutional remedies. Constitutional remedies, which is the 6th fundamental right. Before that, let's discuss about right to freedom. Freedom means we have the freedom of speech, expression, reside any part of the country, from form associations and unions and assembly in peaceful manner, and practice any profession. That means in India we have the freedom of speech, which means we can speak freely in India, and we can express our feelings in any way we want, right? Whereas some countries like North Korea, they don't have the freedom of speech, and they don't feel this right to freedom, they don't have it. So if you see or if you watch the videos of those countries, then you will feel that how lucky we are to born in India, right? And yes, Right against exploitation. There are three evils prohibited from this right, and they are human trafficking, forced labor, child labor. These are the three evils prohibited by using this fundamental right. Okay, and our final fundamental right, sixth fundamental right, is right to constitutional remedies. For example, if any person feels that their fundamental duties, all these are violated, then they can approach the court. So this is the sixth fundamental right. And Dr. Ambedkar called the right to constitutional remedies the heart and soul of our constitution. Right? So this is all about today's chapter. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.